morning, dear learners. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you more options related to course navigation bar. As I told you earlier that the leftmost side, this bar is known as global navigation, and this bar is known as course navigation, and it has few links present here. Today we are going to learn about the announcements. Announcements are actually when instructor wants to communicate with the students in various ways in class. He or she can discuss about the course activities and can post interesting course related topics. These are actually designed to allow instructors to broadcast information out to all members of a course, or to all members of sections within a course. Students may be able to reply to the announcement, but replies are not considered to be a conversation and do not appear on conversation box. Okay, so let's see how we can add announcements in our course. And the first text box, it contains all, and if I drop down, unread means here the announcements will appear. If we want to show all the announcements, it will appear here, and if we only want to show unread announcements, it will appear here. We can search announcements from this search text box. Okay, this button is right now it is off because here is no announcement present here, and it will get on when you select the when you announce the things, and if you want to delete, you can delete from here. Now let's see how we can add announcements to our document, to our course. Click on this plus icon on the rightmost side of the window. When you'll click on announcement, you will get such window. Okay, here is the topic title. The first text box is the topic title, like what you want to announce. Okay, let's suppose it's about classwork. Okay, you want to classwork or class test. You want to announce a class test for the students. This is rich text box. You can use different features here. These are the tools present, and these are the links present. You can select from here or you can select from here. Okay, you can make settings according to your choice, like your test for tomorrow. Topics are, now I am inserting a table here. One, hardware. Second is software. I can set this like this, whatever setting I want. I can bold this. This is written wrongly here. Let me cut it and paste it there. I can arrange this like this. Okay, so this is a setting. If you are familiar with Microsoft Word, you can do these settings very easily. Okay, now after making your announcement, you want to post it to all sections. We can divide our classes into all sections. Okay, or you just want to only one class. Okay, so I'm announcing it for my computer science class, or if I go for all sections, I will select this for all sections. If I want to attach some file here, I can choose file when I'll click on this choose file, it will take to the to my hard disk, and I can paste the picture, upload the any data from here. Okay, let's suppose you have written some text on some page in Microsoft Word or some other, you can just attach the file here, or you can attach some image here. Delay posting, if you want to post delayed posting, allow users to comment. This is up to you, that you want for that announcement, you want users to comment or not. Enable podcast field, allow liking, and if you allow liking, only graders can like, sort by likes. Okay, these are few options. Now here you can see it is the keyboard shortcuts. You can use these shortcuts for your writing, and this is accessibility checker. Okay, tables should include a caption describing the content of the table. These are few checkers. Okay, and these are total number of words that I have typed here. These are, suppose you want to take it to HTML editor, you don't need for it. Okay, now save it. Okay, this announcement has been created. Okay, this is now unread. This is deleted replies. You can see the deleted replies. You can make it off, you can make it on. This is up to you. Okay, this is collapse reply, and this is when you will get the replies, you can collapse from here and you can expand from here. This is how your announcements will be